Hi, this is Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru, and today I want to talk to you about websites designed for conversion optimization of your website. And in the technology space, we have a thing called eating your own dog food. So I'm going to use our Aussie Web Conversion website as the example for you today. So here you see our home page. And there's a couple of things that you need to notice about this. First of all, the important stuff is above the fold. Down the bottom we got footers and some other navigation and some other things, but everything we want is above the fold. And that's important so that people don't have to do this scrolling to get to your messages. I want to show you a few other things too. If we go to Google AdWords, which is what we do, you'll see we've got an embedded video. If we go to conversion, there's no video yet, but this one that I'm making is going to go right here. If we go to audits, we're going to add a video there. But search engine optimization, we have a video above the fold. Content marketing, we have a video above the fold. And have you noticed that no matter where I go on the website, this frame of our call to actions and our navigation always stays the same. We don't change it. And our call to actions for this website are just two. One, ring this number, which you'll do click to call on a mobile device, or fill out the form. If somebody visits this website and they ring our 1-300 number and we talk to them, or they fill out the form asking us to call them, that's all we've done. It's done its job. At that point, we've started into the relationship. Another thing I want to talk to you about here is make sure that your logo takes you back to the home page, but it's this what I call the squint test, which is if you take off your glasses or you squint your eyes at the screen, the most visual element should be what you want them to do. And that's our 1-300 number here. It stands out. It's a different color. Yes, the Google Partner logo is prominent as well, but that's because that adds a lot of credibility to us, and we're using that as social proof. Of course, in all cases, the website needs to be mobile friendly, which this one is, and if we scrunch it down, you'll see that it'll go into a mobile thing with navigation. It's perfectly done, and if we run the Google speed test on it, we also know that it's fast. So these are the elements that you really need. Fixed navigation so the person never needs to go anywhere, with your call to action, either the form in our case or the phone number, on every single page. And the use of video, because it allows people to quickly understand what you're on about. And of course, the logo takes us back. These are elements of a successful website. They focus on the customer, they focus on solving their problems, they focus on headings that are designed for search engine optimization on each page. They're simple things, but they make all the difference in the world. We've got some social media buttons for proof up here. These could have been in the footer as well, but it's Google+, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Our social media also is enhanced by our link through to Google's pages, which are about our business. These are the elements of a successful website. Don't take up a third of your bloody screen with sliders that move back and forth that are just lazy web developers filling up pages because you don't have written content, which you need for search engine optimization. And they don't have images, so they use canned images with sliders, and even Matt Cutts from Google will tell you sliders are a waste of time. The key elements are consistent call to action on every single page. The person knows where they're at. The squint test that shows you that what the brightest elements are that people will click on. The use of videos, and I've got separate videos, a separate video on the elements that should be in your video, and if you watch ours, whether it's search engine optimization or content marketing or Google AdWords, they all use the same sort of format. State the problem, exaggerate the problem, give them the solution, provide social proof, and tell them what you want to do. So we're eating our own dog food. I'm going to tell you, if you want to talk to us about this, all you need to do is call our 1-300 number or fill out the form. That's the call to action. I hope this has been valuable and helpful to you. You will find it under our conversion page. As soon as I'm finished this, I'm going to be putting it up. We're eating our own dog food. Thanks for your time. Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru.